Dito may advantage yung atheistic point of view. So pag atheist ka, mas objective yung way mo ng pag-iisip. Kasi you can look at evidence and see it for what it is. Kasi wala kang dinidepensahan na paniniwala. Also, we atheists are more likely to admit that we can be wrong. Again, mas open ang isip to be more objective. Kasi nga, we're coming from a place of not knowing instead of assuming na 100% knowledge. So that, my friends, para sa akin, ang isa sa pinakamagandang bagay sa atheism or being an atheist. You can learn more because you're more open sa iba't ibang ideas. Freedom to explore new knowledge na walang puwersahang paniniwala. Naniniwala ako sa isang bagay dahil sa mga ebidensya, dahil may maayos na rason para maniwala. Hindi dahil yun yung tinuro sa akin or dahil makasalanan ako or dahil may utang na loob ako kay Jesus kaya dapat ito yung paniwalaan ko. Or pupunta ako sa impyerno pag hindi ako sumunod o sa kung ano yung dapat isipin ko. Yung freedom to explore knowledge and truth without the forced guilt of religion, without the fear of hell. So perfect ba lahat ng atheist or magiging perfect ka ba pag naging atheist ka? Of course not. May individual differences pa rin tayo. Marami ding atheist ang hindi nag-agree sa lahat ng issues. Pero it's still better kasi we're more open to discussions and open to change our minds if valid evidence is presented. Kasi as atheists, we have one thing in common. We have accepted we were wrong pagdating sa pinakamalaki at pinakaimportanting idea, yung God belief. Yung tinuro sa atin, yung bagay na pinaniwala sa atin na totoo at sinabi sa atin na bawal questionin. To be able to admit na mali yun, it takes a lot of thinking, rationalizing, going against confusion, against your parents, against teaching sa school, yung idea na idinikdik sa utak mo since bata ka, to accept that that is wrong, takes a lot of guts and honesty and humility. Kaya kahit minsan hindi lahat ng atheist nagkakasundo sa lahat ng issues, proud pa din ako sa mga atheist. Kasi we've all taken the most important first step. That is to accept the fact that there is no real evidence for the existence of any gods. Therefore, there is no reason to believe there is one. So don't be afraid to admit na you don't know pagdating sa God question. Kasi sometimes, I don't know is the best answer. Or kung ayaw mo ng I don't know, just say it's under investigation or in progress. That's the most honest and correct answer for now. When I realized that I was an atheist, I noticed that I can make better decisions because I can look at evidence sa iba't ibang issues and be more objective and more critical. Wala na yung self-righteous belief na ako ang tama kasi may imaginary God ako na is guiding me, guiding my thinking and all of my decisions. Wala na yung arrogance na ganun sa akin. Kaya para sa akin, mas maganda kung maraming pa ang maging atheist kasi it's easier to move on and make our society, our country, and our lives better na wala ng imaginary gods na magpapagulo pa. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Open-minded ka ba? Type how. Joke lang. Pero seriously, open your mind. Don't be afraid to question. And don't be afraid to be wrong. Facts and truth is not afraid of questions. Truth welcomes questions. The more you question truth, the more it becomes true.
May makapangyarihan nga ba na tunay na lumikha sa atin lahat? May makapangyarihan